160.
Looking like
162.8. Looking a little flat. I need some cubs up in me.
you look like a model. I mean, we in it now.
Yeah, we in it. Just to make me look smart.
Business savvy.
Business savvy. Since this is a business-oriented video, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video with your boy LeVar Shannon. So today, a little bit different vibes. Today we're gonna be going over how to order from an overseas supplier. So now these tips or these steps are going to only relate to you if you already found your manufacturer or found your supplier. So these are going to be the steps you should take to have a smooth and successful order. How should I say this? Successful what?
Just make the process.
Yeah, yes, exactly. Good shit. This is going to make the process a lot smoother, these steps that I'm going to go over. So, without further ado, let's get into this video.
Hold on, people. Do y'all see this shirt though? Oh my God.
Yes, sir. we gonna get into this in a minute. We gonna get into this soon. Yo, me and Lord Des, we had a fight last night. Laying her ass out. Hold up, put this in slow motion, yo.
Shooter, shooter, shooter. Let's go. My hands up, yeah. My hands up, yeah. They want me with my hands up. Think they want.
So look, me and Lord Des, we got our own protein. So she got strawberry milkshake, and I got the chocolate coconut, which is really weird because I do not like chocolate, but
Right.
But I'll be because I'll take 2 scoops a day, she take 1. So I'll be sneaking hers. So I can save mine.
She ain't gonna know.
She ain't gonna know. I mean, she do watch these videos, but hopefully it go over. Hopefully she I thought I heard her coming out.
Nah, you need.
It's alright, had a soaker in the ocean. I didn't fuck with
Yes, sir.
What is he doing?
Creating content. Where my phone at? Gang.
He don't even have all over there.
Where's it? Doesn't listen. Oh, let me get the shorts in here too. Yes, sir. I can't believe you wasn't gonna let me hold the shirt just for the content. Wear one of these. For the red. Why ain't give me the red?
Because it's on my body.
Why you take it off?
I didn't take it off.
It's for the content.
Oversized tee. We got this one
This is my page.
in red. Ooh. Got the pink one. This is like a salmon color. This is a heather gray, baby blue, and then the black one didn't come, so it's on its way. So this is part of the shrimp collection. Then we got the shorts that's coming. Still got more stuff coming in. The shorts and also the hats. Shrimp collection on the way. So I'm currently working on some designs for an upcoming collection, which brings me to step number 1 on how to order from an overseas supplier. And step number 1 is to create a technical document, which is known as a tech pack. Now, within this document is going to contain all the DNA of your product. All right. Now, speaking of clothing, because that's what GOSEASON is, that's what I do. First, you're going to have the technical measurements, which is how when you lay the garment out flat, you're going to, let's say we're working on shorts, because that's an example I'm going to show you guys. All right, you want to lay the shorts out flat. You're going to measure the waist. You're going to measure how long it is. You're going to measure the opening of the shorts. You're going to measure the inseam. All those measurements need to be inside the document. Down to the stitching, you need the stitching in there. You need the logo placement in there, the colors that you want, the quantity that you want. And to be even more technical, you want to put in which season the garment is coming out, what year, the name. All of this is very important because once you send this the document acts as you. You're 9 times out of 10, you're not going to be over there with the supplier overseas. So once you send the document is like a representation of you inside the building. So the better your document is, the better your garment will come out, and the more happier you will be. Now, here you can create your document layout however way you want to, but this example that I'm showing you guys is how we have it. So we have the front and back details with the Pantone colors down at the bottom. Now these are the measurements that we have: the inseam, the thigh, the hip, how wide I want the drawstrings to be, how many inches I want the logo to be, down to a color reference, and then the logos. Now, again, all of this needs to be inside the document. That way, the more error you minimize with the document, the happier you will be, and the better your product will be. All right. So that's step number 1. Now, on to the gym.
Straightening, yeah. Don't nothing get straightening but straightening. Don't nothing get straightening but straightening. Don't nothing get straightening but straightening. You don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it. In this game, sit back, be patient. Niggas act like the game went vacant. Niggas act like some been taken. What? Ain't nothing but a little bit of straightening. Been kicking shit popping out daily. On the island, it's a movie I'm making. I'm counting the narrows with Robert De Niro. He telling them that you're amazing. Put that shit on. Nigga get shit on. I bought 2 whips and I put my bitch on. She put this wrist on.
This has to go out. I think I'm gonna give these away. These are some of the defective merch. Oh, what came? This is like before we had to correct a lot of stuff. Like some of that stuff is damaged on there. What about these though?
What's on that?
We had these for a couple months. Booty bands. Booty bands on the way. We had these on ice for a long time.
Got a box of booty bands.
They coming out. Oh, another box of booty bands. Let me put this in here. Step number 2. Order a sample. After you send in your technical design, you want to order a sample. Now, the sample serves many different purposes. One being that you can check if the manufacturer or supplier can successfully complete the design. 2, you want to check the quality of the garment, see if it meets your expectations. 3, you're able to assess if you need to change anything about the garment, whether that be in logo placement, fabric blend, sizing. And 4, the most important thing, I should have said this number 1 to be honest, is that it saves you a lot of money. My very first time ordering overseas, literally my very first order, I didn't order a sample. Spent $1,500 to $2,000 on sweatsuits that when I got them, it didn't meet any of my expectations or any expectation that I thought the company should uphold. It didn't fit correctly. The quality felt cheap, so lost the money, and that's that. So make sure you guys order a sample. That's step number 2. On to step number 3. All the defective stuff that we need to go with.
What's the plan? What do you possibly want to do with it in general?
What's his name?
LeVar.
He don't
Yeah, actually.
He got something for this?
I can ask him right now.
Yeah, because right now it's just sitting in storage, taking up space.
Got you. Hold
Is
on.
this a W fit? Or is this an L fit in the comments?
Put a W in the comments for the GOSEASON fit. I just do it in there. slide this. Word. Appreciate that. Shit was taking up hella space. And I was just putting the 2 boxes in there. I'm like,
Yeah, with
bruh,
everything else coming.
bruh, warehouse.
Yeah.
Like,
Because how many boxes was that for the shirts?
bro, I still got to put another box in there for the oversized tee. Not sure. Thinking about 3 cartons for the shorts, and then the hats. I'm not really worried about that. But
Yeah.
that's just from this one.
Just from this stuff.
Yeah.
It's almost 500 items.
700.
700.
700.
Sheesh. That's a lot.
700.
700. Only to move for.
Yes, sir. I see you.
700 is a lot.
I see you soon.
All right.
I gotta go to Sam's Club. I gotta get some energy drinks. Caffeinated. Dopamine. Need it. Alright, step number 3 and the last step, and that is to know your manufacturer's schedule. If you don't know your manufacturer's schedule, you're not going to be able to properly plan out your launches, and that could push back launch, push back the time, and time is money. Now, the few things that you want to know about the schedule, okay? How long does it take to get the raw goods, which is like the fabric? How long each step takes, so how long does it take to sew your fabric? How long does it take for the printing process or the printing of your logo? And shipping. You want to know all these things so you can properly plan out your launch dates, and that way you're not wasting time and you're on time and everyone's happy. Yeah, that is step number 3, and that concludes how to order from an overseas supplier. So with that being said, I think I'm gonna end this video. I ain't got nothing else to do today. I'm gonna order that you wanna watch that
Yes.
that YouTubers versus TikToker fight? You wanna order that? Yeah, if you want to order that, sit back, chill for the rest of the day. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, only you can limit you, and I'll catch you in the next video.